Hi and welcome back to our channel. This is gonna be a quick repair, I really hope so. Tomorrow is Christmas and it's another dry spot. You can see the PS5 was on the side, all the liquid went there. I have to clean up that one. So tomorrow is Christmas and they want to get back this one today, so hopefully it's gonna work. I saw some liquid damage on that side, but nothing really concerning. Why is it here is basically the HDMI port. You can see that one is clearly break out. I tried to give you a close-up. Yeah, here we go. Wow, also a pin went out. I really hope it's not shorted out something. I don't want to spend the whole day here. Alright, so let's see what we can do. I hope everybody have a nice Christmas at home with family. And yeah, all you who are playing with PS5, please be careful and not to break it until next year, because yeah, we try to take some sleep as well. Alright, so let's see what we have. Sorry, I tried to get a closer look on the pins. Okay, our tiny capacitor is there, that's a good sign usually. Let's just double check. Usually it's enough to check the two sides. If they break off, then usually one of the side is break off. That looks alright for me. It's a little bit cracked there. Just the old flux, nothing to worry about, it should be alright. Okay, I didn't forget to take off the tiny sponge on the bottom. Last time I forgot and it's really burned and they started the fire alarm, so not a good one. Okay, we're using the usual flux, chip quick for SMD. It can handle the heat up to 500 Celsius easily. It's not a problem. You can see it's a little bit colder in the shop, so it's not going that well. It's gonna, once it's warm up, it's gonna flow nicely. Alright, we're gonna heat up a little bit. When it's a little bit colder in the shop, usually I just use little warm up on 130 Celsius just at the beginning, so the board is not getting the 500 Celsius immediately. And we're going up 340 Celsius. Sorry, move a little bit. So 340 Celsius, for a tiny bit. And now we can heat up to 500 Celsius with 120 liter airflow. That should do the trick. Yeah, on the top side probably is reached 400 Celsius now, 300, 400 Celsius. You can see the flux is start bubbling. Time to check if it's moving. Try to not lift up immediately, as you can rip the traces. Don't ask how I know. When it's moving back and forward, here we go, we can lift up. Sorry. Try to not repeat the flux. It's really not good for your lungs or anything. By the way, if you buy this flux, try to read the little paper with it. It's really not good for your health. We're using air filter here, so I'm not getting most of it, but sometimes a little bit going down. Alright, once the new HDMI port is warmed up, it's going in nicely. Give it a few seconds to settle down, otherwise the pin can be too cold and the soldering gonna be a cold soldering. It's gonna be rip off once you first insert the HDMI port. You push down a little bit with the tip of the tweezer until it's cooled down, and yeah, it's good to go. Give a few seconds before you start washing up with isopropyl alcohol, and try to, it's a no clean flux, but it looks better if it's nicely cleaned up. First I usually check a little bit. Yeah. If you not align the HDMI port well, then obviously it's gonna be a little bit sideways, and one of the side is not touching the pins. Let's check the other side. So you can see the 4 big pins are holding. If you can see a little crack there, then yeah, you should do it again. Alright, I'm gonna make sure it's working fine, and I cut a little video on the end if it's working, and hopefully this boys can get back his PS5 for the Christmas. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe, give a like, whatever. I really appreciate it. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. What else? See you guys.
Thank you for watching us. See you next time.